7 steps to good inhaler technique using a pressurized metered dose inhaler, pMDI. Step 1. Prepare the inhaler. Remove the cap from the mouthpiece and check for any dust or debris, and always hold the inhaler upright to ensure proper aerosol delivery. Step 2. Shake the inhaler. In most cases, a gentle but firm shake for about 5 seconds helps mix the medication and propellant. If the device is new or hasn't been used for a while, it may require priming. Always check manufacturer instructions. Step 3. Exhale gently. Breathe out fully to empty as much air from the lungs as comfortably possible. Emphasize to patients that they should breathe out away from the device to avoid blowing moisture or debris into the mouthpiece. Step 4. Bring the mouthpiece between the teeth, tilt the chin slightly upwards, and seal the lips around the mouthpiece so no medication escapes. Step 5. Begin a slow, steady inhalation through the mouth. At the very start of that breath, over about 3 to 5 seconds, press the canister once to release the dose. When inhalation is too quick, it reduces medication deposition in the lungs. A slow, deep breath over 3 to 5 seconds ensures optimal delivery. Step 6. Remove the inhaler from the mouth and hold the breath for up to 10 seconds or as long as is comfortable. Holding the breath allows the medication to settle in the airways. If another puff is prescribed, wait a few seconds before repeating steps 1 through 6. Step 7. Replace the cap on the mouthpiece to keep it free from dirt and debris. 7 steps to good inhaler technique using a pMDI with spacer. Step 1. Prepare the inhaler and spacer. Remove the mouthpiece cover, inspect both devices for foreign objects, check the expiry date and dose counter, and prime on first use per the manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. Shake and load. Shake the pMDI for 5 seconds, then insert it into the spacer's inlet. If required, release 1 waste puff into the spacer before patient use. Step 3. Breathe out completely, away from the spacer, to clear residual air. Step 4. Place the lips firmly around the spacer mouthpiece, then press the canister once to release a dose into the chamber. Step 5. Take 1 slow, deep breath. After inhaling, remove the spacer and hold the breath for up to 10 seconds. If a second puff is prescribed, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then return to Step 3. Step 7. Clean and store. Rinse the mouth if using inhaled corticosteroids. Wash the spacer in warm, soapy water once a week and allow it to air dry, or per manufacturer's instructions. 7 steps to good inhaler technique using a dry powder inhaler, DPI. Step 1. Prepare the inhaler. Remove the cap, check for debris, verify the expiry date, and prime on first use according to the manufacturer's guidance. Step 2. Load the dose. Open the device and prepare or load a single dose according to the manufacturer's guidance. Step 3. Breathe out completely, away from the mouthpiece, to empty the lungs. Step 4. Form a tight seal. Place the mouthpiece between the teeth without biting. Form a tight seal with the lips and keep the chin slightly raised. Step 5. Take a quick, deep, powerful breath through the mouth. Over 2 to 3 seconds to disperse the powder into the lungs. Step 6. Hold the breath. After inhalation, remove the DPI and hold the breath for 5 to 10 seconds or as long as comfortable. Step 7. Close the device, replace the cap, and rinse or gargle the mouth if a corticosteroid is used. Remind patients to order a new inhaler when the dose counter runs low and to return empty devices to their pharmacist for safe disposal. Finally, remember that regular review of the inhaler technique helps correct common patient errors and optimizes asthma control. Evaluate patient technique regularly. Ask for return demonstrations to confirm correct inhaler use, and watch for issues such as not exhaling before inhaling, incorrect inhalation, failing to hold the breath after inhalation, not shaking the inhaler if required, using an empty or expired inhaler without realizing it. Now, time to solve a short quiz to reinforce your learning. A set of selected IPCRG resources will be available for you at the end of this breath.